Where what is going on is one. You know, say that you let the do one. Mr. Macaroni ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, ó láyé eré sí ọlẹ́yà o. Ọ̀nà bí olúwa sí. Ọlọ́run ló gbé mi lébẹ̀. Ló jẹ́ kó máa bí pé. Bí o bá sọ̀rọ̀ ni mo máa ń bá lè pariwo. Ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ pépè ló lè dùn. Àmọ́ àṣàkó. Macaroni, Mr. Macaroni, ìgbà tí yóò sóko, ìgbà tí yóò sódò, àwọn sí àrí, ìgbà tí ẹnu gbẹ, ìgbà tí ẹnu gbẹ, àwọn sí àrí, Mr. Macaroni, Friki Friki, Friki Friki, Friki Friki, Fantabulous! Macaroni! Fantabulous! Friki Friki! Macaroni! Mago! Ó láyé eré sí ẹlẹ́yà! Ó lè fi tó ń wá sí! Mr. Macaroni ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀! Ó láyé eré sí ẹlẹ́yà! Femi Adebayo, ó sọ pé ó ṣe Ọlọ́run kò bójú mi jẹ́. Esther Eniola, Esther ló ní ó ṣe Ọlọ́run kò bójú mi jẹ́. Ó darí mi sọ́tà lẹ́nu o. Ọ̀yá yìí lórí wa, lórí tó tún máa yẹ ìyẹ́bẹ̀tẹ̀. Eniola, What is going on is one.
Hi, beautiful people. I have an amazing personality with me here this evening. Good evening.
Oh, good evening.
You look amazing, by the way. I love your dress.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Like, what's the inspiration behind the dress?
So I told my stylist, Alajuke, I said I want to, as in this is a Yoruba party, so I need to look bem. And she said, say no more.
Leave the rest to me. So what's your expectation on the movie?
Oh, it's Funke Akindele. I'm expecting nothing less than quality entertainment, comedy back to back, bars, blows, drama. I mean, see the people inside. Aha. And I would have been in this movie, but I was on set on another movie. So imagine all the gathering of Wala people.
It's having fun.
Yes, I'm so excited.
It's obvious that you're excited. So, from your own stable, what should we be expecting from you?
All right. Very amazing question. Expect one of the biggest, bangest comedies. House help indeed. We have Baba Rex. Yes, so listen well. Nosa Rex and myself, when we combine, is problem. So up until now, we've been doing just skits together. We have a series of skits. But I told him, Nosa, guy, let's give them something elongated. Let's give them back to back. Yes, so we shot some parts already in London, and we're shooting some parts in Nigeria very soon. So we need to expect, as in wait for house help indeed.
Our fingers are crossed. We know what to expect from you now. It's you now. All right, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of it.